Power supplies are integral for industrial settings, and when these systems fail, production stalls, costs rise, and deadlines slip. Power supplies might face overheating due to blocked airflow, failing fans, or component degradation. Inconsistent or unstable input voltage can cause voltage fluctuations that harm sensitive electronics. Like any device, power supplies also have components that wear with age and face environmental contamination like dust, oil mist, and moisture. Not to mention wiring errors, misaligned connections, and grounding issues can damage the system from the outset. When any of these problems arise, it's common for teams to experience unusual noises, overheating, intermittent shutdowns, visible damage, and inconsistent output voltage. Detecting and addressing the problems as soon as possible is key for maintaining efficient operation in high-stakes industrial environments. Don't wait to address power supply concerns. Minimize downtime with power supply support from Global Electronic Services.